Hey everybody, good late morning on Sunday, January 26th. It's after church and I'm here at my office. I like being here at the office after church where I can do some of these videos and work a little bit where it's quiet. And so I'm shooting my 39th video. I'm real proud of myself that I have done a video pretty much every week since last March. I think that's when I started. So my tools in my toolbox for this week for video number 39 are my smoothies that I make at my house that I drink for breakfast, my salads that I eat for lunch, 3 or 4 days a week, and my soup that I make. And all of these foods or meals that I make, my smoothies, my salads, and my soups, all have, the smoothies of course have fruits and vegetables like pineapple, blueberries, strawberries, some spinach, and then some juice, and maybe I put yogurt in it sometimes. But those are my smoothies that I have for breakfast, and it's all real food. And then in my salads that I make for lunch, I have a bag of salad that I add spinach, and then I add olives, or I add a can of tomatoes, and put some other, like some chow in my salad. And then I add pepper. I don't usually add salt, but I put maybe garlic, fresh garlic in my salads. And carrots and, as I said, spinach, but, and it's a really big salad. Luckily, I can't eat all of it. Maybe add some broccoli slaw, maybe add some, coleslaw to the salad. So it's got a lot of good stuff in it, but it's all real food. It's not fake. And then when I make my soups, I just get some broth, or I get maybe some tomato basil base at the grocery store, and then I throw in a couple of cut up onions. I put spinach, I put mushrooms, I maybe put a can of beans or a pack of rice in my soup, and just cook it, just throw stuff in, and that's what I have. But it's all real food. And that's what's helped me get to today, January 26, 2025, when I was diagnosed with my diagnosis, because I'll claim the illness. So it's been almost 18 months. And so anyway, so tool number 39, my tools for video number 39 are my smoothies that have real foods, and then I add juice. Either sometimes I add carrot juice, or I add strawberry and banana juice, or blue goodness juice, to make the smoothie easier to drink. Then have my salads, and I have my soups. And so that's a tool that I've been using for about 18 months. So I hope this really has helped, because I have one more video to make next week, and then my series of tools in my toolbox that I believe God wanted me to share as a real person. And it's my real journey of what I've been diagnosed with. Is my journey's almost finished of my videos, so next week will be my last video, but I'm real proud of myself. I have consistently made videos about every week or every 10 days. And as I said, I really hope this has helped somebody in the Philippines or in Australia or across the street from my office where I'm filming right now, or something that says, okay, well, maybe I can do the same thing and not focus so completely and utterly, be absorbed and consumed by what your diagnosis has been. And you have to keep your mind off of it so it doesn't consume you. And that's what hopefully this has helped somebody. It's helped me. I've enjoyed making my videos for being in public on Facebook. And so, all righty. Well, if you have any questions, you can message me on Facebook. I'm on Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'm going to now download this video on my computer, and then I'm going to upload it into my YouTube channel. So I'll have it live on Facebook, and then I'll have it on my YouTube. So, all right. Hope this is helpful. It's helped me. I've enjoyed making this series of videos, and I hope everybody has a great rest of the day. And go 4 teams. Well, except one team that has always won the Super Bowl for the last 3 years. We want the other teams to win. LOL. But go NFL football games today. All right. See you, everybody. Bye.